So I started coming in to see Dr. Ofisa for my back, and initially I came in because I was having lower back issues. I've had those for quite some time, and during my initial assessment I let him know that I had some pain in my shoulder, and it was just to share that maybe don't tweak or pull on that a whole lot, but he was able to work on that, and I had really limited mobility. I couldn't raise my arm up and come back at all, and through some pictures, MRIs, and other scans, it showed that I had some tears to some muscle and to the labrum, and Dr. Ofisa was able to help me get that mobility back and also to not have any pain in there. So that's been fantastic.
That's me though. I always tell Brett, I'm like, I don't like cameras. I just don't have a face for TV, man.
That is me.
I'm the right. I just kind of get it from the side. There you go. Yeah, this is a lot further back than when we first started. It was kind of right there, huh?
Yeah, I could not lift
This
up.
is basically full range of motion, almost full range of motion to external rotation there, but it's right at 90 degrees.
Yeah.
So that's much better than when it first started.
And there's no pain. I get stopping right there, but it doesn't hurt.
Yeah, I remember when you first came and you were just kind of lifting up like this, and it was pretty stuck.
Yeah.
So I was just kind of breaking up some fascia here, allow the blood to flow into the muscle. There's also improved mobility and healing in the area. So basic science here. So over here. Right there. Perfect. One more pass there. Awesome. So we go from here to over the right there again. So you're gonna move up. Now we get the thumb in there. I gotta come up with a good name for my thumb. Pain. We'll call it pain. Two more. One more. Awesome. Did you work today?
I did, yeah. That training's like taught all day.
Nice. You're a busy man.
That must be that one. Those cupping or those cups are on the column. That's always been good.
It was so funny because some people hate him, some people like him. Like today, we have more people that like him, more people that hate him. The day before, it was like, I hate those things, but it works.
Yeah, it's like magic. She's crazy. She's definitely dedicated to it. Like,
She was telling me that she kind of picked up strongman kind of later.
yeah, it's crazy how much people, they just have that build and then they jump in and how quick it just takes off for them.
You know, she looked like she's been doing it for a while, but she told me that she's barely started.
Did you feel it pop?
Yep.
I think it's already doing it.
Yeah. You're already moving.
Get this side too. Those muscles have been happy this week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just from traveling.
I think so, yeah. Just so much dragging.
So sometimes you fly a lot, sometimes you drive a lot, or?
Yeah, it just kind of depends. If I try to drive more, just so I can enjoy it,
Mm-hmm.
But sometimes I have a choice.
And I think for me, it's all good. What do you think? Maybe anything beyond 6 hours of drive? I'd rather spend most of my time.
Yeah. It's such a unique feeling.
I've done it on my shoulders once.
I feel like you're bruised.
Oh, really? feel right there. A little tight in there.
It's not good. I think I'm used to that one, though, that pain now. The first time you did it, I was crawling out of my skin. Well, I thought you had a roller because it was so crunchy. I was like, what is going on?
You done for the day?
What, you can want to use the data?
With the fire, you can't.
Oh,
It just all depends on the cup.
that seems kind of risky.
It is, and they normally use that when they do wet cupping. In wet cupping, they actually will make little incisions. After they will have the cups on there for like an hour or so, depending on who's doing it. It could be 30 minutes, could be an hour or two. And then they'll take the cups off. And they'll make incisions there. Or they make it before they put the cups on. Not a big fan of it.
No.
Now those bruises will be around for a very long time.
Yeah, these go away quick.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
That was pretty good.
Yeah. Oh.
One more. There we go. And that one.
Really good.
A little bit more. Ah. A little bit more.
There you go.
Just let it relax, Jason. All right, my friend.
That's awesome.
All right. Well, there you go.
It is.
Just need it to space a little bit again.
So after treatment, everything feels good, loose, ready to go on to Piezo and receive the rest of the treatment.
Awesome. A lot of fun stuff. That is something. You let me know when you start doing that.
Usually she's gonna go like pretty high for the intensity. I don't know if that-
Hold my hand over there.
yeah. Usually massively out of anything.
Jeez. You are. Oh, you're not even a baby. There, mhm. There. Actually, really is going like